Okay guys, just started another job on a roof, painting a roof, pressure cleaning all the moss and algae, as you can see right behind me there. So stay tuned and I'm gonna show all the steps for doing this one and more. Just finished spraying wet and forget moss and black algae killer. So we're gonna leave this for 1 day and come back next day to wash it. When you do roof restoration, you always need to have a spare tools to fix something like this. It takes a little bit of time to replace it because these tiles are very curvy and all that. I'm just gonna quickly show you the difference between washed tiles and the ones that are still got algae and moss on it. That's washed. We just replaced one tile that it was broken, and this is the one that's still dirty that we need to wash. As you can see, the difference is massive. Sometimes we have to replace timber like that, and the only problem is now, 40 years ago this was standard for the roofs, this size of the timber, and this is the standard now. That's just a slight difference there, so I'll probably have to cut in this timber in on the ends so I can fill it up so it's flat with the rest of the timber. So guys, that's done. Now I'm gonna put the tiles back and continue with the job. So the roof is ready for pointing. So far we pressure cleaned everything, did grinding on ridge caps to make room for new pointing, and now we just washed it off a second time, all the dust from grinding and all the old pointing that came off straight away, and can we clean all that. Now it's ready to do pointing on it. And this is just for you guys to see how big this roof is. So I start drilling whip holes on this roof. Quick update guys, I've just finished pointing, as you can see. Right now I'm drilling whip holes. The reason why this roof did not have existing whip holes, whoever done the roof before did not make a whip holes, so I have to drill them the hard way. Tomorrow we're gonna start spraying. Just need to sweep the roof one more time from all these dust from the whip holes, as you can see, and we're gonna go ahead with spraying undercoat and then 2 top coats of paint, roof membrane. I've just started spraying undercoat, so I've just finished the half of that roof. So I'm going on this side, and you can see the difference. That's clear seal undercoat, and that's needs to be painted. So I started with this coat of the spraying roof membrane, and that's how it looks like. The job will be a lot easier if I didn't have this rope giving me trouble all the time, but safety is first. If I start falling down, this rope is gonna basically save my life. So guys, safety first, and then everything else. Back again on it, doing second coat of spray painting. So far I've finished all that side over there. As you can see, it's very nice and good looking, so I'm just gonna continue.